Literacy is essential for effective participation in our modern world, yet low levels of literacy are still widespread in our society. The challenge is compounded by the multicultural and multilingual nature of our society. How can we use modern technology to overcome these challenges? How can we use technology to make literacy training more accessible, more engaging, and more effective? In South Africa, the Bridges to the Future initiative formed a multi-agency partnership endorsed by the National Department of Education. The partnerships include the Molteno Institute for Language and Literacy, the International Literacy Institute, and Trident Interactive, an e-learning development company. This partnership has resulted in the development of an innovative multimedia literacy training program that is revolutionizing the way literacy is being taught in South Africa. In July 2009, after extensive pilot testing, the program was rolled out to target communities in Limpopo, with other South African regions to follow. This multimedia program has the following features: a friendly and interactive learning environment with attractive visual and voice guidance in a choice of Sepedi, Tshivenda, xiTsonga, and English. An introductory tutorial to develop and practice basic computer skills in a very easy-to-learn fashion. An overall package that is both easy and fun and will promote rapid learning on an individual basis at the learner's own pace. In addition, the program tracks the learner's progress throughout the learning process in order to provide further feedback to both participants and instructors. Let us take you through a lesson. It is important for learners to be able to associate with what they are learning. Throughout the program, the learning content is therefore centered on the actions of a typical family and their community. Each lesson starts with a story animation to grab the learner's attention and provide a familiar context to the learning content. These stories build upon each other and also include information on other important life and vocational skills.
Swi nga va kahle ku kuma ntirho laha va ku hakelaka va tlhela va ku yisa ekhosweni ku ya dyondza swin'wana.
After the story animation, learners are systematically guided through a series of interactive exercises. These exercises have been carefully designed according to scientifically based learning methodologies and years of practical experience in the field. This exercise is a listening activity. The learners must click on the words to listen to them. They can click and listen to a word as many times as they want. Once they feel comfortable with all the words, the learners can continue to the next activity.
U nga tshikelela hi laha u lavaka ha kona. Va fanele ku.
Here we see a construction activity. The syllables of a word are displayed randomly below. The learner must build the word by listening to the word being said by the audio guide.
Tinhlamulo. Ma swi lulamile hi swona se swi vumba rito hinkwaro. Malamula. La swi kahle.
This is a writing exercise. This exercise shows the learners how to form the letters of a word. The word repeats until the learner continues to the next activity. The learners must copy this word into their workbooks. The workbook activities correlate with this program's activities. Here we see a picture matching exercise. In a sentence, two words are replaced with pictures. Learners must drag and drop the right word from the list below to a matching picture.
Laga xifaniso. Masi. I swa risima. Malamula. Swi kahle.
Learners are congratulated on completing each exercise. Throughout this package, learners have complete control over their own learning process. With a supportive voiceover to guide them through each lesson and activity, learners move through the package at their own pace. With very easy-to-use navigation controls, learners can pause the package at any time, repeat an activity, or listen to words and sentences over again. This allows learners to achieve success with each learning item, which builds confidence and thus leads rapidly to further levels of mastery. The Bridges to the Future initiative in South Africa aims to cross the digital divide by improving literacy as well as computer skills. The project will now enter the next phases of development, entailing expansion to all 11 of South Africa's official languages, allowing for rollout across South Africa. Literacy is essential for personal development and community upliftment. The Bridges to the Future initiative multimedia program in South Africa is an effective tool that empowers learners and their communities with skills that can assist in improving their social and economic futures.